Woohoo! This thing's about ready to come reality. Got the little custom hatches dug out there. Did this custom hatch, tried back in there. Need a little temporary battery case for the lithium ion. Got the trolling motor mount all cribbed up on top and underneath. Yeah. Got an extension handle for this coming too, even though it already extends a little bit. 55-pound thrust. Get that prop on there and test it out. Actually got another extension that connects onto this. Got a U-joint to where I can be able to control it when I'm on the seat on it. But yeah, woo-hoo.